Déjà vu.
What do you mean? This is not the 50mm. This one is the new 24mm anamorphic by SIRUI. More expensive, wider, longer and heavier.
Oh, like my... Hi everyone, Mike Lusio here for a new little review of the SIRUI for the 24mm anamorphic lens 2.8, so that's the new one. They made first the 50mm, you can check out my review, my unboxing review, and later the 35mm, but not for X mount. Now the new 24mm you can see on the Fuji X-T3. It's a very great lens, but I hesitate, it's not a sponsored video. The links are in the description if you want to help my channel to grow, if you want to see more videos like this. It's a little bit more expensive, a little bit more heavy, it's a little bit more long. It's not perfect, no lens is perfect, so yeah, that's okay. It's a very great lens, and it's a more wide, so you can see more in the frame, because the 50mm it's more for the close-up, you know, very tight. You can make a short film like I did. I did several short films, you can check it out. With the 50mm you can't have this wide field of view. It's a great lens, but with the 24 now it's a very great combo to have, so you can change, and you have a really great set of anamorphic lenses. Now we're gonna change with the 50mm at the same spot to see the difference. So yeah, that's with the 24, and now let's switch with the 50. So yeah, that's 50mm. I hope I'm in focus, because I don't have the HDMI cable. So yeah, I can't see me. Alright, so yeah, that's the 50 1.8 by SIRUI anamorphic. So much tight, you can see less in the frame at 2.8 now to match, and you can see the difference about the color at the same white balance. Let's get back to the 24mm. You can put wide adapters on the 50, but it's really not the same angle, it's not the same wideness. It's better to have the 24. So yeah, that's why the 24mm is a must-have, to have this wide angle, because the 50 only with the adapter, the wide angle adapter, is not really enough to have this wide frame, you know. So yeah, nice combo. Alright, video not sponsored, so if you want to help the channel, thanks, I really appreciate, guys. Thank you so much. Z mount, it's it's a very more, it's less treat. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Don't forget to subscribe as always, and see you in the next one. Alright,